5 nights lying awake and I could let it